Meowlingo, I'm back and I have a big problem.
Oh no, what happened? I see you have shopping bags with you.
That's exactly the problem. I went shopping yesterday and spent all my money. My mom is not happy with me.
Oh dear. Tell me, what did you buy?
Well, I bought new shoes, 3 t-shirts, candy, a toy, nail polish, and a hat. But my mom said I only needed school supplies.
I think I know the problem. You need to learn about needs and wants.
Needs and wants? What's the difference?
Let me sing you a little song about this.
Some things we need to live each day, food and clothes and place to stay. Some things we want but don't require, just because we have desire. Water, shelter, healthy food, these are needs that make life good. Toys and candy, games so sweet, these are wants but not to eat. Stop and think before you buy, ask yourself the reason why. Is this something I must have, or just something that looks rare? Needs and wants, they're not the same. Learning this will help your brain. Needs come first, that's the rule. Wants come second, that's so cool. Needs and wants, now I know how to make my money grow. Smart choices every single day, that's the needs and wants way. I need food to eat each day, I need clothes when I go play, I need books to learn at school, water keeps my body cool. I want candy, I want toys, I want things that bring me joys. Extra shoes in every color, these are wants that make life fuller. Stop and think before you buy, ask yourself the reason why. Is this something I must have, or just something that looks rare? Needs and wants, they're not the same. Learning this will help your brain. Needs come first, that's the rule. Wants come second, that's so cool. Needs and wants, now I know how to make my money grow. Smarter choices every single day, that's the needs and wants way. Can I live without this thing? Will it make my wallet sing? Do I have it at my home? Or is this worth buying on my own? Needs and wants, they're not the same. Learning this will help your brain. Needs come first, that's the rule. Wants come second, that's so cool. Now I'm smart, now I see how to shop more carefully.
Some things we need to live each day, food and clothes and place to stay. Some things we want but don't require, just because we have desire.
So needs are things I must have?
Exactly. Like what?
I need food to eat each day. I need clothes when I go play. I need books to learn at school. Water keeps my body cool.
Perfect. Those are all needs. Now, what about wants?
Wants are things I like but don't really need.
Yes, like candy, toys, and games. Pretty clothes with fancy names, extra shoes in every color. These are wants that make life fuller.
Now let's look at your shopping bags. Tell me about each thing you bought. Well, I bought new shoes because mine are old.
Good. Shoes can be a need if your old ones are broken. What else?
3 t-shirts, but I already have many t-shirts at home.
Ah, so 1 t-shirt might be a need, but 3 t-shirts sounds like...
Once. I see. What about the candy?
What do you think? Do you need candy to live?
No, candy is definitely a want. It's yummy, but not necessary.
Exactly. And the toy?
Also a want. And the nail polish, and the hat too.
Very good. You're learning fast.
So I bought 1 need and many wants. No wonder I spent all my money.
Let's sing about smart shopping.
When I go shopping at the store, I make a list before I walk through the door. Needs come first, that's my rule. Wants come second, that's so cool. I need some bread, I need some milk. I need a shirt not made of silk. I want some cookies, I want some games, but needs and wants are not the same. Check my list and look around. Keep my feet upon the ground. Stick to what I wrote today. Don't let feelings lead the way. Shopping smart, shopping wise. Check my list and realize what I need and what I want. Good choices I will all own. Shopping smart, that's my plan. Saving money when I can. List in hand, brain engaged. Smart shopping at every age. Things are everywhere. Calling out, please buy us, we're so fair. But I remember what I learned. Smart shopping skills that I have earned. Compare the prices, check them twice. Don't always buy the first thing nice. Ask myself, is this a need? Before I do this shopping deed. Check my list and look around. Keep my feet upon the ground. Stick to what I wrote today. Don't let feelings lead the way. Shopping smart, shopping wise. Check my list and realize what I need and what I want. Good choices I will own. Shopping smart, that's my plan. Saving money when I can. List in hand, brain engaged. Smart shopping at every age. When I see something I desire, my smart brain says, wait, don't buy her. Sleep on it for just one night. Tomorrow will bring clearer sight. Shopping smart, shopping wise. Now I see with clearer eyes what I need and what I want. Smart choices I will always flaunt.
I love that song. But Meowlingo, how do I know what I really need?
Great question. Let me teach you some questions to ask yourself. First question, can I live without this?
I can live without candy, so candy is a want.
Perfect. Second question, do I already have something similar at home?
I have many t-shirts at home, so extra t-shirts are wants.
Excellent. Third question, will this help me with school, work, or health?
My school supplies help me with school, so they are needs.
You're getting so good at this. One more question. Am I buying this because I'm bored or emotional?
Ooh, I bought the nail polish because I was bored, so it was a want.
Exactly. When we shop because we're bored, sad, or excited, we usually buy wants, not needs.
Meowlingo, can you help me make a smart shopping list for next time?
Of course. What do you actually need this week?
I need school notebooks, a new pen, and socks because mine have holes.
Perfect. Those are all real needs. Write them down. Notebooks, pen, socks.
Done. What about wants?
You can add some wants, but with a limit. How much money do you have?
I have $20.
Great. Spend $15 on needs and only $5 on wants.
So I can buy one small want after I buy all my needs.
Exactly. That's smart shopping.
I've got my list, I've got my plan. Shopping smart because I can. Needs first, wants second. That's my rule, saving money every day. Check the price, compare the cost. Make sure my money isn't lost. Do I need it? Do I not? Think before I buy a lot. Walking through the shopping mall, tempting things are on the wall, but I stick to my list today. Smart shopping is the better way. This makes shopping sound so much easier.
It really is. The hard part is saying no to things you want but don't need. Let's practice. I'll be the store clerk, you be the customer. Welcome to our store. We have beautiful jewelry on sale today.
Thank you, but I'm looking for school supplies. Do you have notebooks?
Yes, but look at these pretty earrings. Only $10.
They're nice, but I need to stick to my list. Just notebooks, please.
Excellent. You said no to a want and yes to a need.
That felt good. It's like I'm in control of my money.
Exactly. When you control your money doesn't control you.
Now I know the difference clear between wants and needs so dear. Shopping smart is what I'll do. Meowlingo, thanks to you. Make a list and check it twice. Compare quality and price. Needs come first, wants last. Smart shopping habits that will last. Thank you so much, Meowlingo. I can't wait to show my mom my new smart shopping skills.
I'm so proud of you. Remember, it's okay to buy wants sometimes, just not all the time.
I understand. Everyone watching, try making your own needs and wants list.
Great idea. And tell us in the comments what's one thing you need and one thing you want right now.
Don't forget to subscribe to English by Music for You for more helpful lessons.
See you next time for more English learning adventures.